Okay, so today I'm going to work on cutting the front springs. I haven't got the other shocks to work yet. I haven't really messed around with it. I just want to go drive the car and beat on it a little bit. I think a coil is all we're going to do. Lower the rear and then take it for a spin. Alright, so I got the springs out. So my plan is to cut, I haven't really truly decided I guess, but I'm going to at least cut one coil off. I think 1.5 might be too much. We'll see. So let's do that real quick. Alright. So I guess now, throw them back in.
Alright guys, we are back on the Fiero. Matt's been working on it for a while now. I'm not sure where he left off, but he's cut the front coils already. We're working on the back. He's about to tack a guide here.
For the pull saw.
And then we should be able to do some camber adjustment here. There was one other thing. Did you already get that, Matt? Where you said they were hitting, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, luckily there was enough adjustment in the coilover when I made those brackets to just kick the knuckle away from the wheel, so
okay,
that's good to go now.
And then we'll be able to set it down and
we could try to halfway align it or just run with it.
And then maybe christen the tires, the new ones.
Just put a little bit of gas and let's see if we don't blow ourselves up. Let's turn this thing on.
See if it works when it's on.
Maybe we get better results. Oh, we're almost there.
Alright. You're there. Oh, she's there. There she goes. Alright, so Matt just cleaned these up real quick. He's going to weld all the way through. So these are plates that he built. And he's just going to weld it all through here. That side too, since they're out right now. Might as well get it done. And then we're going to try to put this thing back together and take it out for a spin. Alright guys, they're all set. Matt just ground off this little piece here so that the bolts would sit flush. Right there too. This one's far enough away, but it just did on both sides. So we're gonna throw the car up on the lift. We'll lift it up higher and then throw it all back together. All right, I think we're ready to drop her. Got her shoes on, brand new shoes. Not a new paint job, but we shined her up pretty good.
Yeah.
Let's see how she looks. Let's set her on the ground. A little stiff in the front still.
Yeah.
Gotta let it settle down. There she goes. Hey, that looks pretty good.
It's better.
Oh yeah, a lot better. The gap is way smaller than it was. Obviously it could go lower, but yeah, that's not bad.
Is it actually somewhat level? I just guessed on the...
Yeah. Yeah, it looks good.
Lowered that 1 inch.
The back, right?
Yeah, and then cut the front 1.25.
Yeah, looks good. We'll get it out where we get it out of the way so you guys can actually see the whole car. There she is. It's not super low, but it looks good the way it stands right now.
Definitely lower in the getting out of it.
Yeah. Wheels look really good. Paint cleaned up pretty nice. It's not perfect, obviously, but we cleaned it up pretty good. This is obviously the bumper we're not using. It's just on there because that's where we left off. All right, we're just gonna button these couple things up, get insurance on it, and we'll see you guys on the drive. All right. right, we're ready for the first drive with the new wheels, new brakes. We got to bed the brakes still. Nice job on the windshield, dude. Just as hazy.
Well, it's not brand new.
Oh yeah, they work. They work real good.
Lock that one up. Try bending the brakes again.
Yeah. All right. She definitely stops now, huh?
Yeah.
Compared to last time, for sure.
We're gonna adjust the proportioning valve too if we want to.
For the brakes?
Yeah.
How'd they feel?
The front locks up for the rear. Got a screwdriver down there?
Oh yeah.
There she is.
Came off. Yeah.
I didn't believe that came apart.
Yeah. Man, it feels good.
Yeah, it needs a line though, because see, it's done that before when I've dropped the motor out and just thrown the suspension together. Every time I get on it, it just kind of like
Swirls around.
Yeah, it walks.
Yeah. Brakes feeling pretty good?
Yeah, or at least not dragging.
Yeah, no
Like we
kidding.
can actually coast.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, that adjustment definitely changed it. Even right now, I can feel it.
You can feel it? It pulls really weird, huh?
Yeah.
That's not the car, it's just not aligned.
Yeah, because it didn't do it before.
Right, yeah.
It's like I wanted to drive it that way.
Yeah. Oh, already less than my freaking Super by a mile. And we're still in it.
I guess it doesn't have wood on it.
Yeah. What's the Lotus? I don't remember.
1900, I think.
Is that what it was? Jeez.
Before we jump in, close your door. Let's see what the front axle and the rear axle.
Why not? 450 from the front. Not bad. Any battery post loose?
No.
What does that mean? No.
Oh. That starter just sucks. We weren't actually moving fast. I thought we were going to be getting going. Oh, jeez. We're wicked hot.
Hey, there you go. Just trying to show off for the Fiero, dude. She's going back up. Stop and cool her down.
Pull over right here.
Yeah.
Make the fan come on or something.
Let's see, try it again. These are pretty loose.
Nada?
No. Oh, there we go. It's moving down now.
Almost like it's got an air pocket.
Oh, man.
There goes that wheel, huh?
Yeah. Good thing they're not new or anything.
If the fan came on, it would keep it cool.
Yeah, no kidding. All right, guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. We want to do a little more, but we got some things to sort out as always with cars. But we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.
See ya.